What's up, mi gente? Today we're gonna be making some delicious balsamic pork chops. First, we'll start by adding our seasoning and some balsamic vinegar and covering it up for the next day. Leave it in the fridge overnight. Now on the next day, we'll begin to prepare our onions, add some more balsamic vinegar onto our pan, and start to saute. Chicken stock concentrate and some butter. And then we'll begin to take out our pork chops out of the refrigerator and add onto our pan. Now that they're all comfortably in the pan, we're gonna be adding some rosemary, and the aroma is just absolutely amazing. We'll begin to work on our sides. We're having some roasted potatoes with some roasted Brussels sprouts. They'll be baking in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Let's check on our pork chops. Look at that. And they are out of the oven, roasted to perfection, and look at our pork chops. Absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed this recipe with me today, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time.